What makes a thought leader? A thought leader is a visionary, examining today's world, its trends, challenges and potential before crafting a bold vision that elevates their company into the architect of a better future. A thought leader is a pioneer, knowing to avoid the mainstream and to instead think outside the box, fostering a culture of innovation that embraces the unconventional. A thought leader is a guide, going beyond their own company and interests to create opportunities for the whole sector. Knowing that shared development and a strong industry leads to a greater opportunity for all. What makes a thought leader? We at SCANMARKET will show you how. COVID proved the point of why digitalization is important to a lot of organizations. SCANMARKET is a cloud-based source-to-contract software provider. So the idea of SCANMARKET came about as our founder was doing business around the world with different continents and different geographies. And he tried to do this online to save time, but also to save travel and cost, etc. And we want to make sure that procurement is as simple as it should be. We help our customers achieve efficiency and gain maturity throughout their journey towards digital adoption.
The technology is very important, of course, but it's just a tool. It's the users who need to use it and embed it. And for them to use it and embed it properly and meaningfully, they need to believe in it. The purpose of the technology, in the solution itself, and they need to believe in the provider, and that we're there to help them succeed, and that their success is our success, their failure is our failure.
The biggest challenge is really to understand in depth what you're trying to solve, and thereafter how to present it in the most intuitive and simple way. Everything from understanding your spend data, running and managing your projects, RFIs and negotiations, to really managing all of your contracts and your different suppliers. But people are really the essence of everything that we do. So our goal from the beginning when we started developing our software was that this should be something that everybody should be able to utilize. So really something that are built to be used and something that should be as intuitive and as possible to use for everybody. For us, it's all about the user experience. The system will, of course, need to solve the problem or challenge that our customer is facing, but it needs to be done in a straightforward and effortless way, and that is really where we are changing the industry. It's truly becoming a partner for our customers, where we're not only selling them a piece of software and then leaving it up to them to implement it and become successful. We are driving the implementation proactively together with our customers, ensuring that our software is properly implemented and embedded in their organization so that our customers will achieve the efficiencies and ROIs that they are expecting.
It's all about the experience that they've had, in general their approach to technology and how comfortable they are, specifically how much experience they've had with this type of system. And it's understanding that people are at different levels or at different parts of that journey that enables us to be able to give them the right level of support, the right level of training, therefore the right level of education to achieve success.
It is important that everyone can adopt the software because evaluating and selecting and implementing a source-to-contract tool doesn't give you results. Adopting it gives you results.
It's been a hard slog over the last few decades for companies and people to adapt to the digital way of working, and I applaud all of us for doing it because change is tough.
The potential is really for SCANMARKET to become the system that a procurement professional logs into in the morning and logs out of in the evening. For SCANMARKET to facilitate and automate all aspects in regards to the source-to-contract process, and really bringing data across an ecosystem of multiple data sources together more effectively, and taking advantages of workflow automation and advanced processing, by applying AI and machine learning technologies to really connect all the dots in a way that simply was not possible before.
So you have to be bold, you have to be curious, you have to be open also to make mistakes. This might be easier said than done, but if you're open to make mistakes and learn from your mistakes, you can pivot and then you can work from and grow from an entirely new baseline.